Uh-oh. Condarsa. Yeah. We're doing Lego today. Where is Cat? Cat's behind my stream. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No Cat. Oh, she'll probably come around. Yeah, she's like underneath. No, that's okay. We'll bring her back. We wanted to try something. She's playing with this, come here. She's playing with the toy that I have on my desk. Hey, baby. Cat. She just hasn't been sleeping in the same spot recently. So, that's all right. That's all right. Everybody has their thing. I get it. I get it. Hey. She wants to play. Playtime. Whew. You're cooking? Oh, that's good. I am. Okay. Go finish that. And by the time you're back, she'll be hanging out with me, probably. She's right here. All right. Hey, everybody. So I'm feeling very tired today. I have a lot on my work to-do list. Ooh, kebabs. Oh, my goodness. Are you a good cook? Because that sounds amazing. Attachments. I'm going to take a look at this. Let's see. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to share. Luckily, I just ate, so, like, I'm not that hungry, but that looks incredible. That looks so delicious. Condarsa's kebabs, everybody. KK. The kebab looks amazing. Now I'm hungry again. That happens. It happens. All right, enjoy. Yeah, so today, so tomorrow I'm going to stream again because we're going to be away Thursday. We're going to go meet a streamer that we've been watching for a really long time. So that's going to be fun. And so today, today and tomorrow, I'm going to stream. And, but I think today I'm going to do something a little more chill. I might design the app, think about what that's going to look like in Balsamiq. And I want to make sure I get the link to the homepage working. I'm going to check out that speed typing app. And I don't know, I don't know if it's a good idea to do LeetCode. No. I don't know if it's a good idea to do LeetCode or if there's another site that I could do like a couple of warm-up codes. But I'm going to be looking for that. So after I do the speed typing, because I got to make sure I get better. I got to make sure I improve that. Otherwise, my 39 words per minute was not worthy. Oh, I have cocoa puer tea today, which don't look at my tea. I got to fix that. Where's my tea commands? Tea command. So yeah, I think my energy is like, it's good. Like I'm feeling easygoing and whatever, but I think because I have so much going on at work, I just want like a chill stream today. Maybe add some music to the background, which I don't usually do, and just like hang out with you guys. Josh Washi, hey, I used monkeytype.com when I was learning the Colmac layout. Okay, I don't know what that is. Can you help me like understand what it is? And then maybe we could check that out. I'd be down for that. Speaking of which, I don't know. Of course, Old Sloppy, can you hear me? Never mind. He's just gonna do his Lego. So let's see if I can do this right now. Edit stream. No, I can't. So Josh, what is the what's the Colmac layout? I can definitely look it up if you want. But like I almost sound winded, like I've just ran forever. I just feel like today was such a stressful day. It's got a really nice interface, but it's what all the keyboard enthusiasts use. Colmac is just an alternative to QWERTY. Oh, yeah, I actually recently heard about that. It's like where the center line is COL. Look at this hair. Gross. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't be so vain. Thank you. I will not be vain. All right, sorry. Check myself there. Um, that's cool. I would be nervous to do that. Like I would be scared to change after all these years. I think my typing would slow down, but everybody said like it's better. I have a mechanical keyboard. I feel like that's a trendy thing. And but I've heard of the Colmac. But that's not the same amount of, hold on. Yeah, okay. It hasn't really improved my workflow any, right. Like how much better can a keyboard be? Hold on, I gotta find this tea. Coco Puer. What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Uh-oh. There it is. Found it. I found it. All right, my tea is up now. Submit. Hopefully there's no spelling errors. Yeah, I know. I feel like if I changed, although like I have a new mouse. It's an MX Master. This guy, it is so much better. One thing though, it hasn't really improved my workflow. The backspace on caps lock is awesome. So basically they move the backspace to the caps lock space and then you're just like scooching it back and I guess that's cool. That makes it way easier. All right, cool. Yeah. Let's see if I can do this. I want to see if I can do this. Oh, I can do this. Okay, here, ready? Let's see. No. Damn, I can't do it. No more reaching for backspace. Yeah, but I like that little pinky stretch. It helps me with my guitar. No, wrong way. That would be this hand. My piano fingers. I feel like I've never really shown my hands on stream before. I've got these like really like stretchy, like huge hands. I mean, they're not that big. I mean, I've seen bigger hands, but like they're just so like I feel you with the backspace stretch. It's like piano, work on piano. But I mean, then it just make you lazy. You know, I heard this story and I don't know if it's true. So I'm just gonna say it and let you perpetuate it forward. That like when typewriters, can I hold a basketball in one hand? Maybe, probably, just for a second. Like I wouldn't be as good at it as some people, but probably could. Yeah. Should I get one and check it out? I have a soccer ball. I can get a soccer ball. It's outside though. But probably can. Yeah. So a story about like secretaries, like when they moved the keyboards to Word, like the typewriters to word processors, like secretaries on average gained 3 pounds because they didn't do this motion for like that can't be true. That can't be true. That story cannot. Maybe it's true. I don't know if it's true, but I don't know. So, all right. So would that be the second thing, Josh? I probably wouldn't, if I don't have a Colmac, so I used monkeytype.com when I was learning Colmac. So monkeytype, okay. So, all right, we might try that next time, but I like speedtyping.dev because it like speedtyper.dev. That's what it is, because it like, it allows you to, it tells you the leaderboard, and I'm pretty competitive. I'm competitive with myself mostly, but I do like the pride of getting a little bit higher on the list. I've never been like really high up in anything in the world, but one time my friend who was I can't remember the game, but so I feel like once you get higher up in games, like it's the coolest thing because you're like, I'm better. Oh look, Strager. This must be like a. Let me see if I know anybody here. I definitely know Strager. If that's this, that looks like the streamer. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that's so embarrassing. 102 words per minute. Mine is going to be like 30 the first time, maybe. And then once I like stop freaking out, oh, I'm also not sitting correctly. I need to like sit up, put my feet flat on the ground, and then I can type. I feel like this is not going to go well. And of course, the top person is another streamer, which makes me a little embarrassed. Oops. If I like talk, so if I was really trying to do this and I was by myself, I would probably talk through this typing instead of talking to other people because it would make it a lot faster. Like, I'm pretty slow there because I'm saying different words than are on the, oh my goodness, than are on the screen. And it can be really tough. Oh, I definitely typed an F. This is going to be a slow one. Whew! It's because I was intimidated by the Strager being on the top of the list. So scary. This is so bad. I'm like typing normal in front of people. This is pretty much just the speed of my stream because my brain is just so slow today. It's like, yeah, I just stopped paying attention for a second. I was just like, it's fine. I don't need to. I can't do it. All right, here we go. Oh, this is awful, but that's okay. We'll get better. We're going to get better. Wrong one. All right, that was pretty terrible. 28. I wonder if I'd be faster typing Python than JavaScript. Oh, you're right. Wait, can I switch? Can you switch languages? Yes, absolutely. Because JavaScript, like, I mean, I would just put, I know what I would type, at least somewhat. It would be like a class or a definition or like, I don't know. Maybe it wouldn't matter. But that would be an interesting thing. Like, I made 14 mistakes. Oh, this speed typer is just like, it's just frustrated at me. All right, we're gonna try again. And then I'll probably go over to like LeetCode or so. I don't know. I've been thinking about challenging myself more in actual software like questions because I think a lot of people come on stream and are like, hey, and also I really like helping other people on their streams, like checking out their code and stuff. Yeah, there are people who don't make mistakes on these. Yeah, this is part of this is because, darn it, Bender distracted me. It's definitely Bender's fault. Yeah, like you're right, I've never really equals key generator dot C get instant. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious, this is just boring. No, it's fine. It's exciting. Last time I got like really anxious about it. But I'm sure people who work in JavaScript, this is terrible. I will get better. The third one last time was the best one, so maybe it's going to be the same. It's because I don't have a secret key. Whoever types this. I mean, nobody ever really types this, right? It all comes from like the whatever you generated it from. Nobody types this stuff. Surprised I even understood the... Okay, that was better. 32. All right, gonna eat and do the dishes. That sounds good. HackerRank is what I tended to use for practice problems. Okay, I'm okay with do that. Well, it has curlies. That's true. It does have curlies. Middle child. I'm an older child, so I feel like I'm supposed to blame you or hug you when you're upset. Like, that's also our job as the eldest, is we either get in trouble anyway because you did something to us, or when you're upset because the little one did something to you, we're like, it's okay. I've been there. I know what that's like. So I'm an older child. So Bender, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. So the top person, 98 words per minute, is greater than, oh man, is 3 times better than I am. That's what I'm going to say. Times 3. Almost 3 times, but greater, almost 3 times. I'm the middle, but also responsible one, so I get the best of both worlds. That's really nice. That's pretty good. What is this? Oh, it's just a string first. All right, I'm gonna get this one. Well, and it's not gonna be your fault, Bender. It'll be on me. Like, I'm gonna be the one to like mess it up if I do. That's a capital C. I don't like C's, surprisingly, right? Let's make no mistakes. If I could just make no mistakes this time. Okay, just that one mistake would be great. No! Darn it. Does this not count? Like, if I don't fix it, does it mess it up for good? Oh, I wonder. Okay, well, I messed this one up, but I was trying to think. I was trying to figure out how they even, like, if I don't go back, is that okay? Or is that, what is this, an underscore? I can't even see that. I'm an old lady. I can't see anything. Darn it. Yeah, so this one is a loss, everybody, because I'm trying to figure out the scoring. Like, I just want to understand, does it matter if I go back or not? Because I think that's what's getting me. I bet people do this really fast, but then they don't. Like, maybe it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Oh, it's just, see the timer up there? It's basically saying, like, you're way too slow. That's how close I am to the finish line. That's not what that is. Terrible. All right. What? Oh, curly brace. Yeah, the curly braces are hard. Probably the toughest is the curly braces. I'm going to do this one more time because that one was very distracting. I decided to, like, oh yeah, absolutely, I want to worry about the combo. But I think this doesn't matter and this doesn't matter, right? It's just the time. Still probably buggy. Oh, that's awesome. All right, I'll check that out in just a second. I would love to see the web app. That would be really cool. We can play around with Bender's web app. All right, after I curly brace. I never use curly braces. This is why it's the curly braces. It's okay if it's buggy. I'm sure if my app was up, it would be buggy. It's already pretty buggy, and all right. There's a whole lot of special keys. This one's hard. I bet people did this one really fast because it doesn't seem. It's the special keys that get you. I wonder who like sits around and is like, I'm gonna make these, or if they're obviously, maybe they're randomly generated by what is it called, Git code, or Git. What's the new Git coder that everybody's scared of? Oh, that's a comma. That wasn't too bad. 24 public GitHubs. That makes sense. I'm sorry, guys. I can't leave it like this. I got to get to 39. That's what I did last time. Copilot. Yeah, what is everybody's feelings about Copilot? I think it's all right. I'm not... Oh, see, this is a little closer to Python. I can do this, right? Let's see how this goes. Let's see if the Python-y looking one is better. What? I didn't realize. I can't see. I thought that was actually a semicolon. This isn't a reading exercise. Underscore code equal 200. Come on. Whatever. Is this all wrong now? Is this not going to let me do it? Oh! I'm going to I'm gonna next. It's just like, no, I absolutely noped that code. I was like, absolutely you cannot. I have to get 39. I have to get 39 before I leave. Because I don't know, have to be better than I was yesterday. Not that it was yesterday, but then, you know. There we go. Oh. So they don't let you go on if you mess it up. So they catch you and they're like, nope, you can't do more. This is definitely easier. Definitely easier. The answer is, it is easier. Who just did that? Who did to celebrate on me? Not ready to celebrate. I gotta see if I do better. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this feels a little bit better than the last ones have. If it's bad, I might just give up. Because I feel like I'm doing better, but it might not be 39 better. Return -1. That's funny. Yeah, 34. 34 is way better. Bender, did you notice that we have sub badges now? Did you see? I'm so excited to have sub badges. I'm pretty thrilled about it. And I designed them. You just hit 40? Wait, that's how old you are? Or what'd you mean? You just hit 40? Did you beat me? Oh, 40 sub badges. I thought you were playing Speed Typer with me. And I was like, oh, you did just play. You hit 40. Oh, you kicked my butt. No. No. Oh, all right. I'm on it. Now that I'm actually playing against someone, I'm going to do worse, though. That's what happens. Wait, I didn't press enter? See? So little things. I can't talk and type. Thank you. Thank you, whoever said that. Unless you're cheering on Bender, then that's a different story. Then no thank you. What is that? Semicolon. No, it's a colon. You see that? See, I'm fine. I'm fine once I get there. Thank you, Crispy. Bender, did you get 41 that time? Now you have to get back on. Do better. But you're like upping my game. I just need people to challenge me, to be like, to light a fire in my behind, which wouldn't be great because these sweatpants are pretty flammable. But, oh, you didn't play again. All right, so now that I beat my old score and I also beat you, should I just stay here? Yeah, but I can only go down now. If you want to, I'll play one more time. If you play, I will play one more time. And then anybody else who wants to play, I will wait like a good 10 seconds for everybody to do speedtyper.dev/play. And then maybe we can see who's like, it's obviously not going to be me. I'm going to be too nervous. Also, I'm talking while I'm typing. And so I feel like I'm at a disadvantage. But maybe. All right, you ready? Are you ready? Okay, do we have to do it at the same? It doesn't really matter. Let's click next. All right, I'm ready. Last one. Oh my goodness, there are too many curly braces. And quotes. No. Ah, this is so hard. Is that a colon? Oh my goodness, I hate curly braces. I feel like I already did this one. No! Stop it! No! I'm failing! I'm failing everyone. Oh my goodness. All right. I should just give up now. MSG. MSG. Making me so anxious. Kitty, go. No, she's typing. It's the cat. Oh my goodness. Wait, what just happened? What just happened? I only watch speed coders, so I don't know what just happened. It just kicked me. Is everybody here? You got 52. I just got kicked. I was so slow. They're like, no, you can't play. This is also a new keyboard, to be fair. No. But that's not really an excuse. Like, people who have been typing all their lives don't. I have to. No. $40. All right. Well. Screen snipe? Don't screen snipe? Is that what he did? Yeah. I feel like that I got kicked on the other one made it so that I got to do another one. I can't do this. I'm so addicted. This is a problem because like now I have to get 52. No, I don't. I beat my own score several times over. I am progressively better than I was last time. Look, 88 words per minute, everybody else. It is great for warm-ups. It's pretty good, especially when people like watch you type. Like, it's way better to be like, okay, I'm going to type correctly the first time. All right, this one isn't easy. But the curly braces, man. Curly braces and quotes get me. Oh, it's not a curly brace. It's a paren. So that's good. At least I know the first one. And then... I have to be so quiet. What am I really typing? Like, that's... What the hell is subscribable? Instances. Type. Oh, this is so hard. Comma. Config. What language is this? This does not look familiar. I don't like... I'm an underscore, so this is like not comfortable for me. I'm an underscore. I went down. Bender! Sorry, I'm just yelling your name because you're using my... So did you know that I got new emotes too, but they haven't approved them. I use snake case instead of camel. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. I really don't. I'm not consistent enough, and I don't know. It's like playing guitar for me. Like sometimes I play one way and another. They approved it? Hold on a minute. No, they didn't approve it. It's not here. Do you guys see my... No. Now I can't back out of it. You said them? Oh, but it's an it. Oh, approved it. Yeah, I just have the other emotes kind of ready in my head. And so I'm excited for those. All right. Let's do another one. Let's see if I can beat 52. I don't think I can. But maybe if I just get back up to 40, I'll feel good about myself. Thank you, Bender. Thank you. Aw. It's like practice and then do it. All right, that was pretty good. 42 is pretty good. That felt all right to me. Scott Izzle, welcome to the stream. Thanks for hanging out. Thank you for saying I can do it. I got 42. That's good enough for me. It's the best of the night. Last time I got 39, so I moved up 3. So eventually I'll be up at 92. So that means I can check speed typing off the checklist, and I feel accomplished. We can all go to bed, people. That's that's it. Yeah. So I was debating whether I want to do like a LeetCode code exercise or some sort of. Did someone say? Monkey Type. Josh said Monkey Type was a program for typing, but I kind of want to look. Let me see if LeetCode alternatives. I kind of want to just look at some coding problems that are maybe because I'm going to start working on the front end. I should just do HackerRank. Okay, HackerRank. I'll check that out. Hacker. I mean, it's not going to be good. That's what I'm nervous about because I'm not like, I don't know. HackerRank coding assessment, but I'm not ready for this. Are they going to like, I have to log in. I have to sign up. It's going to like remember me. It's going to remember me. And why don't they have dark mode? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen. Why would you ever make an application that's supposed to be for coders and not put it in dark mode? Are you sure they don't look at their, they have dark mode. All right. I just have to sign up. Okay. I was just saying, like, we don't have a preference. Every developer just likes dark mode. I'm pretty sure. Not login. Free trial? Free trial. Do I need the free trial or just do I regular? Woo! What's this? Stream manager. Whoopsies. Let's put this. I just don't want to sign up on screen. Don't trust any app site without dark mode. Absolutely. Absolutely. 100% Scott Izzle. I totally agree with you. You never trust any site without dark mode. Actually, the Django tutorial is dark mode, I think. Is not dark mode. Maybe it is. But I didn't. Okay, for developers, sign up. Don't have account, sign up. All right. I'm going to sign up with Google because that's the easiest way. That's probably not the best way, but it's the easiest way. Oh my God, it knowed my name already. It knew my name already. Learn and compete with others. Learn and compete with others. I'm not preparing for a job interview. I do have a job interview tomorrow. I'm a student. I am technically a student. And I feel like if I say student, they're going to be like, oh yeah. They must save the data and analyze it. Because they must like find some really fantastic people out there. And are like, oh yeah, this person, I will graduate in. I'm taking part-time classes. I'm taking a master's part-time. So like, I don't know when I'm going to graduate. If I just put let's just say 2024. I'm not interested in being contacted about job opportunities. Thank you. No, thank you right now. All right. Yes. Look at that. Do you see? This is real user experience design, everybody. This is how you do it. It's like, we are certain that 98% of people will want dark mode, and they did an A/B test, or maybe they didn't even need one, and they're like, yeah, absolutely. Or they just were like, talk to all the developers on their team, and they're all like, yeah. Add my first skill. Stand out from the crowd. I'm trying. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. Ooh, all right. Let's see if I could do a SQL one. Wait, does anybody, so SQL is like, it might be embarrassing actually, because I've been talking about how I moved from data to software. And like, if you all see how like bad I am at SQL, it's going to be embarrassing. SQL is king. SQL or Python. I could do SQL. I could also probably do functional programming, some mathematics. That would be fun. All right, let's try some SQL. Easy. All right. Revising the select query. All right, I'm going to solve this challenge. What do you want me to select? Query all columns. Select all from city where, let's what this is, population equals, it depends. Sometimes it's equals, I don't know which kind of SQL this is. No, it's not a quoted thing. It's a numeric. If it's an integer, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, the country code for America is USA? Do I need the country code for America? Oh, hold on a minute. Query all columns for all American cities. Oh, yeah, I definitely want where population equals that much. So I need American cities and, oh, I don't remember and. Do I just put and? I don't remember. And country code equals USA. All right, let's see if that works. Run it. Wrong answer. What did I mess up? Is it my and? Is this in parentheses? It depends, like on the syntax and what kind of SQL this is. Oh, thank you. Population should be greater than. Thanks, Bender. Oh, so they just said my math was wrong. Congratulations. Well, thank you. So how do I go to the next one? That's not very simple. I want to go to the next one now. That's annoying. Is there no next? Come on. Yeah, it said larger. I was a silly goose. What's the next one? Can I just click an arrow? Do I have to go all the way back? Celebrate! Celebrate! 80 more points to get your first star. So how do I go back? Just to go here? And then I go here? Did I click submit code? Yes, I clicked submit code. Query the name field for all American cities in the city with populations larger than 120,000. Country code. Okay, so select name. Select name from city where population greater than and see, I'm typing faster here. Equals USA. Submit code. What do you mean fetching results? What are you doing? Would I like to challenge my friends? Or just run tests? Do I want to challenge my friends? Nah, it's okay. Should I? I don't know. Nah. Next time. Query all columns for every row in the city table. Why is that? Why was that supposed to? That was okay. All right. That was so straightforward. It confused me. I was like, oh, what am I doing wrong? I did submit code. Oh, last time. I think you're right. You're right. Carry Ion. Kara Ion. Can you help me with that? I think you're right. I was hitting run code and I just to test because I was just checking it. I was nervous. All right, so select all from city where ID equals it's a number 161. Run. No, submit. I did it. Yeah, whatever works. Kara? All right, I'll call you Kara if that's okay. If it's not okay, you let me know. Slap me on the virtual wrist and I will fix it. I promise. Select all from city where country code equals, oops, I have my caps like just held down. All right, that should be fine. Oh, no. Thank goodness I caught that, right? I love SQL a lot. SQL's good people. What's happening in the oval-shaped video above you? An R2-D2 Lego is being built. So if you look at our background, we've got AT-AT, Millennium Falcon, some of our cooler Legos. There's a piano back there somewhere that actually works. It's just pretty cool. And so sometimes we have a cat in that camera, but we wanted to see if people... I also kind of wanted a more chill stream, so wanted to see if people wanted to watch a Lego being put together, because it's fun sometimes. So yeah, R2-D2, I think, is the Lego. All right, next challenge. I should have been surprised, like, oh, what? Nothing. No, that wouldn't have been funny. That would have been ridiculous. All right, so select all from, query the names of all Japanese cities. So I want to select name from city where country code equals JPN. All right, this is pretty cool. It's very relaxing, very chill. It's a good warm up. Today I want to work a little bit. I've earned 10 points. First star for my SQL Jet badge. All right, let's earn our first star and then we can be done with this. Cause I'm enjoying this. Enter your query here. Like in this spot. Why would I put it in the? Why would I do that? Query. Why would I do that? Why did I say query? Select city, comma, state from station. Why do they want me to put my query there? Is that like... Oh. It must be because, like, why? I don't know. Why did they do that? Does anybody know? Like, shouldn't it be like out of the comments? Yeah, that's what I thought. So that was confusing because it said enter your query here, and then I was like, wait a minute, that doesn't make any sense because then it can't be run. So that was very confusing. I feel like I understand why they would do that because they're telling me to do it below. I guess it's a challenge, right? It's like, you know, you basically have to not follow instructions to do it. So, okay, next one. We're just gonna get, all right, please. I've never done DB2 before. This is new. Select city from station where not, I don't know. See, the thing is, like this could, I don't know, this is DB2 and I'm not sure. Oh, have an even number. I thought had an ID number. Where, oh, I don't know how to do this. Where ID, I don't even know. Like, do I do like a modulo? Where modulo ID divided by 2 equals 0? Like that's what I would do in another language, but I don't know. I can change the dialect. Yeah, but I don't even know how to, I'm not even sure what would work. Like in SQL Server. Please append a semicolon at the end of the query and enter your query in a single line to avoid error. So I want select city from station where mod, like maybe that's a ID divided by 2 equals 0. I feel like this is not going to let me do it. And a semicolon? This cannot be right. Test case is no. No. Failed. Wrong answer. Yeah, I think it was like, I don't understand what you're saying. Modulo? No. Where? Is there like an even? No. Let me cheat. Because I don't want to. It was even in SQL. I just don't know. Oh, I see. So it's just that makes sense. So it's a that's the modulo symbol, which is the same as what I was thinking, but it's just a different situation. So yeah, we're gonna do where ID is even in SQL because I cheated, so it said this guy. Where order ID modulo 2. That's fine. So where ID %2, that's just a syntax thing. Well, that's okay. It's important to know the syntax. Equals 0. Will that work? I hope so. I hope so. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys, on this pretty chill night. No. Come on. And SQL Server. ID. What am I doing wrong? Pylang, hey, what's up? We're pretty chill tonight, trying to just hang out. We're doing some SQL. What am I doing wrong here? That's what I did before. Select city names from station for cities that have an even ID number. Yeah, all right. Could be. Irritating. All right, so we're going to do select city from station. So what did you guys up to today? What did you do today? I got a ton of work. Like a ton of work. I know Old Sloppy is building R2D2. I hope that's the right one. Can you show the cover, Old Sloppy? Can you show the cover of the book? Can you even hear me? Cannot hear me. Does not care. I think. Yeah. Yeah. So lots of fun building like, oh yeah. Did you guys see? I don't know. I missed it. From station, where ID, I'm going to get it this time, equals 0 with a semicolon. Oh, it doesn't say semicolon. This'll work. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah. Okay, no. I'm trying, but this is irritating. I don't know what this is. This looks right to me. I don't know. Select city, right? From station, where ID modulo 2 equals 0. Oh, print the results in any order. Hey, Olay! Oh, that's amazing. I'm glad your day was good. Congratulations to Ryan. That's pretty cool. That's very cool. I celebrate. Sorry, I love that little monkey. So yeah, I've never like hit. The only time I've ever used a golf club was in a Dick's. like in the store called Dick's. And that I tried it and that was it. I've never like been outside with a golf club of my own. So I don't know what that feeling is like, but it sounds exciting. I'm going to cheat. What does this say? Select all from orders. That's what I had before. Let's try this again. Where mod of ID, maybe I just did it wrong, equals 0. All right, let's try this. That sounds better. Explaining. No, what is going on? Oh, that was the wrong one. What is going on? The mod function exists in Oracle. I did do this. Yeah, maybe. I will definitely, if I have someone to guide me, I will play golf happily. So this is what this looks right? Select all from orders. But this is saying query a list of city names from station for cities that have an even ID number. Am I crazy here? Where ID, this guy, 2 equals 0? Is that what I'm doing wrong? Is it equals? I don't think it is though. I think it's 1 equal. This is driving me insane. MySQL. I'm just done. I'm done with this problem. I know how to do this. MySQL ID is even. Okay, listen, Piling. This is frustrating me. Oh, breathe in. Okay, you're right. I don't have my rage emotes, so I'm not allowed to rage. Thank you, Piling. Thank you, everybody. I'm better now. I won't throw anything. All right, there we go. We just needed a paren. That's all we need is a parenthesis. Pick up computer, open window, throw it out. Throw out the computer. Does this need a semicolon? This has got to be it. No? Let's try it again. Yeah, it needs a semicolon. It just needs a semicolon. Amazon's so checking me out right now, and they're like, this girl can't even do like modulo. It's embarrassing. I don't know at this point. I don't even know what's happening anymore. But exclude duplicates. Like, that's the only thing distinct. Is that what I need? Is that my problem? What is that? Oh did my Spotify just turn on? Okay, old Slappy. SQL gives you hives. We're 5 points away from the first star for our SQL badge. So if we could just get through this, then we can move on and we can start doing some Python piling for you. So let me just get through 1 more or 5 more points or whatever, and then we'll be good. So the problem was my distinct and also my quotes, but I probably could have figured that out way earlier in a different program. MySQL, let's go back to MySQL server. Oh, next challenge. I hit submit code instead of. All right. So then we need to find the difference between the total number of city entries in the table. Select count city and the number of distinct city entries in the table. Distinct. Do I have to city as, do I wonder if I have to name it something. Diff where from station. I actually don't, I'm not sure I know how to do this. Like, this is not the kind of code that you run, honestly. You do all this analysis on the front end after you've pulled your data. Like, I never really do, like, why would I ever do this? Runtime error, fine. Do I need an as? As, oh, probably diff. Hold on, I probably need diff or subtract. It's either subtract or diff. Diff doesn't seem to be subtract. No, I'm not sure. Ben, I'm gonna cheat again. No, I'm not. I'm gonna try not to. Select. I'm gonna try not to. Let's just try. Let's keep moving forward. Oh, you did? For your senior project? Whoa. Stutter a little bit. So select distinct city, comma, and then count, distinct count city, distinct count distinct city. That's the issue. That's what I did. Count distinct city. And then I want city, which is just count city, and then minus. I don't know if I need an alias for this. I can do ASMR, SQL ASMR. Sure, yeah, that'd be fun. I wouldn't mind. I like, there's an ASMR streamer who does like a finger thing that's amazing, and I'm like, this is just incredible. I could just listen to this all day. Like, why wasn't ASMR invented before everything else? I feel like it should have been. All right, let's try this. So count city minus count distinct city. I feel like it needs an alias, but maybe it'll just be okay. All right, woohoo, I earned the first star. All right, cool. Does anybody care if I stop or should I keep going? I mean, I'm feeling like it feels pretty chill to just hang out and do SQL statements, I gotta admit. I think people didn't care so much about anxiety and stuff back in the day. Do it. Stop or keep going? I don't know which one. You just want me to, whatever. Celebrate! That, yes. I'm wearing sweatpants today, so I'm very, very chill. Like, I want to be nice and cool and calm for the day. So, yeah, so this is what happens when you do your first badge in HackerRank as SQL. I don't know which one, Pilot. I think that if I keep going, I'm going to want to earn my second star. Maybe if I do that, why not? Let's see how that goes. Earn a new star. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Okay. Query the two cities in the station with the shortest and longest city names. Wow, I do not. Like, who does this? Like, I want to join tables. Who would ever ask me for this? Like, it's the weirdest thing. I didn't. Oh my goodness heavens, boy. Girl. Kitty. What is going on with all this? Get off the soundboard. Get off the soundboard, Kitty. Did she change? Did she change any sounds? Do I now sound like a duck or something? All right, select city from station where no, you gotta Can you stop stepping on my soundboard? Ugh. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No. Good. Very clever. She's trying to get pets, but then she's like ruining all my stuff to get attention. Cat. You can. Hi, Joji. How's it going? How is it? We have been having a pretty chill day. I'm just doing some HackerRank sequel. But yeah, welcome. It's nice to see you again. It's been very, very calm in here today. I could probably throw some like good lo-fi on. Maybe I will. Ooh, that's so loud. I'll scooch it down. There we go. Good lo-fi. That's not good lo-fi. Let's try again. There we go. Can you guys hear that? I'm gonna move this down. Nope. That wasn't right. Oh man. Messed up my sound. Now that sounds like really loud to me no matter what I do. That stinks. Wrong one. There we go. I really messed up the board. Uh-oh, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Can't hear the music? All right, here we go. Is that better? Turn it up some. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be in trouble. Is that okay? That one okay? Check 1, 2. All right, good. And that's good. Is that a good level compared to my voice, or should I bring it down a little bit? I am pretty loud, I recognize. So I probably can talk over it and it's okay. I just could use some like chill music in the background. All right. All right, good. Good. Sounds good. All right. So I don't know how to do this because no one has ever asked me from an enterprise database what the shortest and longest city names are. I feel like this is like really, it's really, it's not indicative of anything, but I guess knowing the length of a character so that you can check it, maybe. If there is more than one small, choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically, so that's fine. Man, this is actually tough. When ordered alphabetically, the city names are A, B, C, D, E, F, P, Q. Okay. I can write 2 separate queries to get the desired output. All right. So do I do a temp table? Oh, they don't do temp. Ugh, what is it? Temp as? I feel like temp as, yeah, maybe that's right. And then I do select, city from station where length city min where no, so I want select min length city. That's what I want. Yeah, min length city. Yeah, that should work. I want to select min length city. Get off of the soundboard, kitty. I'm gonna blame it on the cat. Ugh. She's so good, but right now she's being a PITA, if y'all know what I mean. Yeah, there she goes again. There she goes. Select min length city from station. I don't really need that, right? I kind of want to run. I want to see. Yeah. I kind of want to see what returns, but they want to. I guess I don't need a where statement. No, so the min length city. Pyling singing again. So I don't know. I think the where statement needs to be where min length city. Like I think that's what I gotta use. Min length. She just turned down my sound. Cat. There we go. Oh my goodness. Min length city. No, I need to do this as a subquery. But I don't think so. Select min length city from state. Let's select city from station. Where I don't know how to do that. Hey, Rach. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Oh, I love your potato. I love your potato. Spotify volume -2. Gotcha. Off lurk mode. Okay. There we go. How's that? Is that better? Oh, no. I'm sorry, Joji. Definitely in a bad day today. I'm sorry. Decided to make fun. Oh, no. That's horrible. Potato hype. I'm sorry. Decided to make fun of me and my project broke. Man, that sucks. That doesn't feel good at all. I'm sorry. But let's bring you some good vibes. Let's bring this back up. It's supposed to be a really chill stream today. Nice vibes, like easygoing. Everybody just hang out. We're gonna relax. We're gonna finish this next star in SQL, and then we're gonna do some Python, and we can all do it together. And maybe you could, come up with some cool ideas that I can use. Definitely just hang, just chill. There's no expectations here. Yeah, just hang. Thanks, Ship. If you guys haven't, let me shout out Ship. Who just made, apparently I inspired her to make new emojis. So that's super exciting. She made a potato and some other cool ones that you can check out in her chat. Did we keep the carrot? Did we keep the raging carrot, Ship? Or did we decide to trash it? I'm just curious. Tomato too. She's writing an awesome website for people to like explore like the transition. Joji might be interested in this, and then other people who have seen this stream. She's exploring the transition between other careers and professions, and then software development or tech careers. And she's actually collecting data. So if you made that transition, Ship, do you want to like throw your link in here? You can go and say like what you did before, what your salary was, and what you're doing now, what your salary, and how that changed, and what your new salary is. Because she wants to encourage new developers. It's supposed to be a place for people to get motivation to continue, because it's really tough, can be really tough. No, Joji, you're good. Your bad English is fantastic. We love it. You are welcome. Do not apologize today. Today is a day of celebrating you and who you are and your mistakes and your glory, and that's all. Like, let's just make it a chill day. Yeah, sure. So Ship is going to put that up soon. So we got to figure this out, though. Like, I know I'm getting a temporary table. Old Sloppy says your English is better than my coding. Oh, sweetie. Can you just stay on my lap? Cat. Yeah, I can't type. Today I wrote in my Twitter, no, kitty. No, that's not the right thing you're supposed to type. Can you please just lay down? What did she have? Catnip for dinner? All right, here. No, here. Go ahead. Ah, no! Play with this. Go, 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 go. Go fetch it. Yeah, go get it. Sorry, she's a fetcher. So yeah, so I wrote roll, ROLE, instead of roll, ROLL, and that's on Twitter. That's there forever. I'm absolutely being attacked, and now she's playing with it. Kundarsa would be happy, but they left. All right, so select city from station where. I think it's got to be min-length city. But I don't know. I just want to run this. It's probably going to fail. It's going to be like, what do you mean where min-length city? Permission violation? I confused it. That's pretty funny. Ugh, I'm confusing the app. It's like, I don't even know what to do with your code. Oh, there's the site. Just, yeah, if anybody wants to, like, contribute or even look. Yeah, I should order by ascending, but I need to do something with my min length, right? So, this is so dumb. Oh, a top. Guys. Top. I need the top one. That's what I needed. Select top one city from station where min. Okay, here we go. I don't need where. I need order by. What is this? Why aren't you? Is this 2? Yeah, order by. Length city. Ascending? Right? Isn't it ascending? I didn't think you need to do a min. You're right. I don't. Yep. Yeah, I also did a little bit too. So select top one city from station, order by length city ascending. Let's just run this just for funsies. Select top one city. What am I doing wrong here? Select top one city from station, order by length city. Hold on. Oh, thank you. What? Let's check. Just make sure it's running. Your temp is oh yeah, because I wanted to do a temp, and then I wanted to pull from the temp. But you're probably right. I probably don't need a temp as. Tempest. Do you know what is the best editor for Java that has support for Spring? Sorry, my earring is bothering me. No, I don't know what Spring is, and I don't know. I've never coded in Java. There's a coder I was watching today who would know this, Chris Griffin, but I don't know. I don't know myself. Ann Douglas, are you in here? If Ann Douglas is in here, Ann Douglas might know what a good editor for Java is. But he was lurking before. I don't know if he's still hanging out. That's okay if he's not, because it's just a very chill. Yeah, I think so. Is that who it is? I think so. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe that's not the right person. From Family Guy? No. Maybe I'm not right. I don't know. Fine. Why is it blue then? Why is it blue if it's not a recognized built-in function name? And this isn't right because it's not a color. Roy. Wrong answer. That's fine, but that's what I wanted. So I want with the shortest and the longest. So I also need the same one, easy peasy, descending. And then if there is one smallest or largest, more than one smallest or largest city, choose the one that comes first. When ordered alphabetically. Oh, so that's interesting because that wouldn't work here. Because unlurk, done eating. Well, the kitty was, oh, she's in her spot. The kitty was just playing with a toy, came over, hung out, messed with my soundboard, messed with me. That's fine, Bender. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Wait. Can you stay for a sec? Let me just go to it because I promise. Can you put it back up? Oh, your food did look awesome. Bender, I want to look at your app. Can you stay for a little bit so we can ask questions, or do you want to hop off? Okay, can you throw it up? I'm going back in the chat for the link, but let's see. So everybody, Bender made an app. And it is I think it's really to bring people together for like watching movies and stuff, but he can explain it a little bit better. Okay, thank you for grabbing the link because I made that promise and I almost forgot, and I appreciate that you, I'm just going to say Eclipse is popular for Java and not sure. Oh, that's not what I want. I need the whole thing. Let's go. The app is called. Bender, can you give us like a rundown? Because it's so that I guess I need to sign up. Do I need to sign up? Uh-oh. Can't sign up. Log in. All right, so those don't work. What if can I put in any password? Okay, so the idea was to help people coordinate group outings, like going to the movies. Bender will give me a login, which you can do wherever, or you can give it here, or I can look at my Discord if you want. And the whole idea was to help to bring people together. Username Scooby, password do. And we're gonna log in. All right, awesome. No, I don't want to save that password. All right, so this is log out. Adios, amigos. So this must be a list of your friends, which I don't have any. Creative Ether, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We're having a pretty chill stream today. We're just hanging out. We're gonna write some Python eventually, but I'm pretty tired today, so we're just amigos doesn't work at the moment. Okay, home, movies. Okay. That's cool. Are these real movies? Is this an API that links to? It looks like it. Isn't where the Crawdads thing just came out? So I'm interested in this. So I'm gonna put interested, which I can't. That's okay. That's very cool. AMC API. If you click movies, it'll bring up a list of movies that are in theaters or coming soon. Let's say I'm interested in Bullet Train or Fall. I feel like Fall's a good name. So those will, once you click them, they'll go into your like, oh, it's logging the movies I click. Oh, okay. So that's not obvious, but that's cool. All right. So then do I click events? Oh, so events is just another, oh, this is very cool. This is cool. These are all events coming up. So if I click interested in karaoke, then that'll come up. And I'm going to put let's go now. So let's check this out. So let's go. And these are all people who I can find to go with me. So Paul wants to go to where the Crawdads sing. So I am going to go to Paul. So Let's Go shows all the users interested in the same things as me or together. Because I didn't click Ghostbusters Afterlife. Although I would watch it, probably. So is it the same users interested in the same things? Eventually I'll fix the friends functionality. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a cool idea, Bender. It's like, it's very neat. Very neat. Oh, cool, cool, cool. So like now that I'm gone back to this page, and it would be nice to see like what I've clicked too. Or when I get a confirmation that I clicked it. That would be pretty neat. But this is awesome. This is great. And they're upcoming too. So it gives you like a real idea of like, okay, like just movies and just events. That's pretty chill. I love this. This is very cool. This is like high energy up here. I'm like, woof, let's go. It's like, definitely gets you motivated to go. It's cool. I love this. Can't wait for amigos, but everything else is awesome. Cool, cool. So did this change? So karaoke, am I in here then? So this doesn't, oh, this just lists my friends. Okay, I see. Okay, awesome. Oh my God, ice cream. Kyling, I definitely could get some ice cream. I'm very hungry. All right, Bender, so, sorry for waiting so long. Next time, like, remind me. Slap me in the virtual head, especially when I'm, like, chilling, like this, because I'm, like, my brain is just zoning. So, Joji, did you hear that, up here, it looks like Cyranid, said Eclipse is popular for Java, which you said you were already using, right? Not sure if there is a Spring mod though. I'll let you know when the updated version is up. I was Chris Brown a moment ago. You did the you did the voice. Oh, cool. I don't even know when that happens, so it just Cyranid. I gotcha. See ya, Bender. Bye. So yeah, we'll catch you next time, or maybe later on. Good night. Have a wonderful night. It's been great to have you. Just a chill night. We're just hanging out. I'm just trying to figure out this puppy right here. I'm not sure this is true because comes first when ordered alphabetically, and it's just saying ordered by link, city, descending, and do I do by city? No, this doesn't make sense because order by city, that doesn't make sense. Top one city from station. Oh, I think I probably have to do, like I'd have to do, maybe I could do top like 5, and then I can subquery that, right? So if I do a temp as, hey Schluffy, what's up? How's it hanging? What's going on? It's nice to see you. We're just chilling, just hanging out, not doing Python yet. I will get there. But I just wanted something to like ease me in. And we played speed typing before, but now we're chilling with some SQL. Chrissy DeRulo. Yeah, the voices are fun. I don't get to hear them, which kind of stinks because I think it'd be fun for me, but they are a lot of fun. So, all right, that's cool, Chef. It's super late for you, right? Like it's like crazy late, like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. or something. So I don't blame you at all. So I don't blame you. I get it. But thanks for hopping on. I appreciate it. You're always welcome. Actually, I'm going to stream tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit more of an energetic stream. I'm so sorry. Async seems really tough. It seems like you have to like focus on a lot of things at once. Or maybe you don't have to, but multiprocessing also seems tough. I've never really entered that realm. So, but yeah. Yeah, thanks. I'm trying to be, smarter about what we do. I can't, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So let's try to, so if I do temps as, because I think this is still right? Temp as this and temp2 as this one. And then I can join them. Hey, Kandarsa, select city from station, order by length city, ascending limit 1. All right, thanks. Back door or back seat. So, oh, Stream Kyle, hello. We're just having a chill stream tonight. With temp as. Thank you. With temp as. That's what I was missing. My brain is just not working tonight. Not as well as it usually does, which is good that I'm warming it up. All right. So then you're saying just do ginger beer. Oh, nice. That's cool. Async be cray. Yeah, absolutely. I think it's pretty tough to like, let's just close this. I don't want to. So, is it gonna like, I've never had ginger beer, I don't think. I bet it would be good. So, all right, so I'm gonna go back to what Kandarsa says. Select city from station, order by length city, ascending limit 1. That's interesting. I've never limit 1. I don't think this is, hold on. So let's try, is this the right language? Because this looks different than I'm used to. You only need the width on the first CTE. Yeah, but I have to join them, don't I? Comma between the two. I have to join them. Join, inner join, or join. Oh, I need to append them. How do I do this? Join. Append? Yeah, I don't think so. So okay, good. Pulling the concept of I want the longest and the shortest. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So like this doesn't work, and I need to basically say order them first by alphabetical ascending, and then I need to pull, like I need to query from temp. So I would be select city from temp2, right? Where yeah, it feels like a rat's nest. Ginger beer is great. Fever tree is the goat. I'll have to try it. My girlfriend just suggested. I'm not knowledgeable. Me? I'm not knowledgeable. I have my days. I just have never done the longest and shortest city names. Like I don't know. And I don't do this all the time. But all right, so with temp as this, select the top city. So that's fine. And I need to append these. I guess I join them. I could do an outer join. Select city from temp2. I want to do top 1 city from temp2. Whoa, what happened? Top 1 city from temp2 where what? Where order by length city descending. I got a little like scratch in my voice today. Like it's really low. And then we're gonna do join, right? Outer join is fine. It shouldn't matter. What? Left join? No, I just need an outer join. I want all columns from all columns, right? Do I just say join? I'll just join then. I don't know which join this is. Left join. Why aren't you... I'm just gonna say join. I don't have to join on anything. I just do them together. from temp to order by length city. I'll join on ID. Join temp. Join temp equals where I do ID equals ID. Hold on. I need to just remember this. And it's not a where, right? It's something else when you do joins. Ugh, I got to get back into this because I haven't done a SQL statement in a while. I'm going to cheat a little. On, right? I didn't do that. I didn't cheat. On. Join temp on ID equals ID. And this would be temp.id equals ID, or do I do? Maybe? This isn't going to work. I'm missing some things here. Wrong answer. That's fine. From temp to order by length city descending. Kara, do you know? I want the longest and shortest, Candarsa. Yeah. Does anybody else comma between the two, which I did? Do I need another comma here? I don't think so. Okay, I don't need the temporary table. The second one. I don't need a join. I can just pull them both. All right. So then how do I change this? Perhaps I am too tired, Schluffy. That's all good. I totally get it. I totally get it. Let's see. All right. Oh, okay. So I can just do, hold on a minute. So I can just do select. Oh, I just need to pull them in. Select city, length city from station. I am copying this because I want to think about it for a second. Station, order by length city. But see, this doesn't work. So, and I need to do a quick kind of city limit one. So this is wrong, I think, because their instructions are wrong. City from, oops, maybe they're not. But when I get done typing this, I want to talk through this because order by length city. Sorry, everything's in the wrong caps, but city limit 1. All right, so the problem here, this might be a different language too, I gotta check. But the problem here is that, oh, that's not a real thing. Did you guys say that? What Lego's being built? It's a R2D2. Old Sloppy, if you're listening, can you throw up the cover again so people can see what's being built? Or should it be a surprise? Throw up the cover if you can. But okay, select city, length city from station, order by length city. Oh, again, missed another one. I know. Ascending, descending city limit, and this needs a space. My syntax was crap. Sorry about that. So, is this helpful? I have a strong aversion against leak code. I think it's fine. I mean, I need to brush up on my SQL, and I feel like it's pretty good. So this is saying this isn't right. It might be because it's supposed to be MySQL. Hold on, let me go back here. Copy this. Go to MySQL. Paste it in here. See if this works. Oh, sorry, guys. Got an ad. Apologies. It's the second one of the night. If you didn't hear what I said, let me know. Sorry, yeah, I know. Oracle, MS SQL. Oh, MS SQL is really complicated, it looks like. MySQL is a simple one. All right, so let's take a look at this. So first, I think this is wrong. And I want to explain why. I said I dream in SQL? That would be funny. So yeah, so we've got this. This is interesting. This must be like something totally different. I've never written a declare statement. I guess I have, but not, I don't know, a long time ago. This is probably what I would end up writing if I spent enough time thinking about it. But so the logic of this question says that you want to choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically. So if there were two, oh, welcome back. Yeah. Was that cheating? Yeah, of course it was cheating, but I'm studying it. The whole point is that I'm taking a second to like think about why it is the way it is. Here's the answer that I busted. It needs length too. Yeah, well, it doesn't need length. That was just in the code, so I could probably disappear this and it would be fine. But the problem is, and then I'm actually gonna show this because I bet that this is wrong. I'm gonna do limit 2 on the long one, and I'm gonna run the code because I want to show something. Because if you're ordering this, I know it's the wrong answer. Oh, I guess 18. All right, let's see if the first one has 2 that are small. Yeah, if I'm learning, it's not cheating. That's true. And I did say I was a student when I signed up for this. All right, so we've got Lee and Ammo, which is correct because we're ordering it by the ascending city. But how do we know that these are the correct order in the database? Excuse me. Put both select in parentheses and remove the like this, or just the whole thing. All right, between the select, add union. All right, the whole thing. Union, that's okay, cool. Yeah, that will help me. Union. Onion, weenion. Run code. Cool. So what I'm saying though is that if these were ordered differently, so if Marine wasn't the first one in the database and West was the first one in the database, this wouldn't work. I'll have to modify it for length. You're on limit 2. No, I know that's true, but I'm making a point that that like this would be wrong. If Marine was second in the database after West, Bait, and Springs. Like if we pulled this from a table that wasn't ordered like this would be wrong. This would be incorrect because West, Bait, and Springs would come first, and we wanted it to choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically. So this is what's confusing because it's saying you have to order alphabetically. Orders by length. It doesn't order by alphabetical. It doesn't order by city. It orders by length. Right? Is that crazy? So I'm right. So this is broken. Like this shouldn't be correct. Or it's only correct because the database is like this. All right, that makes me feel a little better. Thank you, Condarsa, for for like, I'm choosing the longest length. And then if they have the same length, then get the first alphabetically. Or whatever is wrong if you have ABC, AO, AMO, or whatever is wrong if you have ABC. AO, AMO. Yeah, so if these were... Okay, Schleffy. I know we're pretty chill tonight. We'll do Python soon, but... the first output is AMO. Oh, AMO. Yeah, right, exactly. So this one's right. Oh, no. This would also have to be... You'd have to order them first alphabetically. Good night and good code. I like that. I like that. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, Schleffy. It's nice to see you. We'll catch up soon when like when summer is over, like of so many vacations and stuff, places I'm going, and like, yeah, it's going to be a good time. So yeah, so if these were not ordered in the database, it would be incorrect. Do a select where length city equals 3. Well, I think that these happen to be where length city equals 3. From station where length city equals 3. Let's just trash it. Like, why not just code right now, right? Like, let's just trash this for a sec. Run it. And see if I have ABC. Yeah. I know it's the wrong. Oh, city limit 25. Yeah, I'm 3. A element of PQR. So this is cheating. This is cheating. What if because if I like ordered, right? So if I ordered if I pulled this from a temp table, temp as, with temp as. So let's play with this. Why not? Why not beat Amazon and tell them that they're wrong and HackerRank is wrong? You can plan for that. Yeah, so let's plan for it. Let's do this. With temp as, let's do select all, right? Select all from station. Order by, we'll do order by state, right? Because that should mess everything up, hopefully. Oh, that's all good. That's all good. So we've got a temp and then select city from temp, right? Let's prove this code wrong. And we don't want length city anymore, equal 3. Maybe let's try something really common. Length city equals 10. Where there are a lot to check that the order is messed up. Like now, did I put submit? I hope not. Yeah, HackerRank about to get hacked. Oh, what? Hold on. Oh, it's having trouble with temp. Hold on. Let me go back to let me go back to this guy. With temp as copy. And we'll do MySQL Server because I think with temp is in MySQL Server. Or maybe I just need a comma. Maybe I just needed a comma. Let's go back to MySQL. Put a comma in here. With temp as select all from station, order by state. Select city, length city from temp, where length city equals 10. Order by length city, ascending city limit 25. All right, run code. Yeah, I know. I want to tell them that was incorrect. Error. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual. Select city from temp. Where? At line 1. What are you cranky about? Is it this? I don't think that works though. I don't think that works. And we're trying to hack Amazon for those that are just chilling, because the code that we just wrote, which I should have kept, was incorrect, because technically it would not have found these if the database was not already in ABC. What is going on? But see, let's just see if there's anything that's like, why is it mad at me? Parens or squiggles? They're parentheses. No, I don't. Oh, table temp doesn't exist. The squiggles on the... Oh, you're right. Sorry, I just did a speed typing today, and I wrote a lot of squiggles. Is that better? Okay, so the 10s, these are in alphabetic. All right, so then we got to change this to temp. We might need a comma there. Do they need to be parens, Kara? Wrong answer. All right, but it's still staying alphabetical. That's pretty frustrating. All right, let's do it this way. City, right? Order by city descending. Let's run that, because that will mess it up, right? Should absolutely... Guys, what the heck is going on? With temp as select all from station, order by city descending. Select city. I'm not ordering by alphabet. How is this even working? How is this even working? Like, this should be taking the table as temp and ordering the city by descending. So that means that, like, this should be alphabetically ordered backwards. But then when I pull it in, it's keeping the order. It's keeping the order. Is this crazy? Is ABC like does it do ABC automatically under the behind the scenes when you do order by? I don't feel great about this. I gotta admit, this doesn't feel good. I don't like this. Your second query has the order by, which reorders the entire set, but it should reorder it by length, not by alphabetical order. Like, I should be able to order this by city descending and then pull from it ordering by, so all prior sorts are lost. Man, that's pretty frustrating. So how does it know? Does it use index or something? Oh, I know they're all 10. But yeah, I don't need this at all. I did 10, but I don't need this. So we're going to do the union again just to get past this, because I'm not really sure. I guess if the sort resets it and then it just takes the index. Like if the table is already an ABC table. And then we're going to union this. I'll fix it in a second. Do the same thing. Order by length, city descending. And then temp order by length, city ascending. Is that right? They're all 10. I know they're all 10, Kara. Oh yeah, sorry. Station and station. Run code. The index to return result order. All right. That's good to know. Yeah, it's just frustrating. Like, I suppose you're right. I guess it will use index. So then I'd have to, if I wanted to do this the other way, where I wanted the last one in it first, that would be pretty tough, because I'd have to include that in here. Like, I'd have to basically create a subquery first, and then this, I think, maybe. I'm not sure. All right, cool. I think I think I'm done with this for tonight. That one, like, it was fine, but it was obviously like I need to brush up on my SQL, so that got me to the top of that. So we're gonna just scooch over to VS Code, I think, or Balsamic. It's a very different stream tonight, very different pace. And we're either, what I want to do is, I think you're supposed to know they cheated under the hood. Yeah, I guess so. I guess that's fine. It's fine. I'm going to bring down the, I think I'm going to just turn off the Spotify for now. If my voice isn't soothing enough, let me know and I'll drop some music in. But right now I'm just going to turn it down. So if you wanted to return the 21 length first, you could reorder after the union. Okay, so I would do I would return every one that had that, and then, yeah, that makes sense to me. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool, okay. So when we were last here, I'm just gonna psychically give them the answer they want. Yes, that's really what I'm doing. So we're gonna cd into our Soapbox app, and we are going to run the server, python manage.py, run server, pop this guy up. Oh, no module Django, because I always make the same mistake every time, and I don't bring up my virtual environment. So, all right, so we're gonna try that again. CD Soapbox. I'll get there. Someday I will do this all correctly. Python manage.py, run server. Thank you, Kara and Kendarsa, for all your help. Also, side note, union does a distinct. Union all will return duplicates. That's good to know. So I don't even need to do the limit, maybe? Oh, no, that's a different thing. That's a side note. Sorry, I was just overthinking what you said. All right, so we've got our server. Apparently, we got to start with auth login, which I suppose auth account login is what I want. There we go. And now we log in as Chrissy and password. And our token, which is one of these. I might drop the second, although I know which one it is, 310329. Because I've got a user and a super user, I can test both of them with Donvitog. How do I solve this last problem in Python? Oh, I'd probably just run a bunch of code that found it, and then, like, it would probably be way more than it needed to be. But I would order by, so I'd probably make a column that gave me the length of, I pull it up in pandas. Then I would create a column that gave me the length of the character of the city name. Then I would order that. And then probably create like a nested loop, or not a loop. Let me think about this, because if I wanted it to be truly alphabetical, well, then I would alphabetize, right? I would sort first by length, and then by city name, and then I would subset that into a data frame, and then I would probably take the other one, subset that into a data frame, and then just append them. That is what I would do in Python. It might be silly. I could probably do it easier. I'd probably refactor that eventually, but that is how I can imagine doing it in Python. So just so everybody knows, like, as I'm like looking up at the ceiling, like thinking about how I would do it, my brain, like a lot of my information, and I don't know if you all think like this, but like a lot of my information is stored like in different spaces. So like I was like thinking about Python like up here. Like if you were asking me like what my friends in high school, what their names were, like it would be over here or something. I'd be like, oh yeah, this person and this person. And then if I'm trying to like think through something creatively, like I think like I would look down. So yeah, so I have like, I don't know if you guys have this, but like I look in multiple directions when I'm thinking about different things. And I don't know if they're consistent. It would be pretty cool to know, but I've just something I've noticed like over time. So I'm going to say, check out LeetCode's site. LeetCode-ish site is done because we just did some SQL. So we're checking that off. Yeah, thanks. I think it's kind of neat. Pylang. But it's interesting. I just want to know if other people are like that. So yeah, we are, again, we're just hanging out. You're going to try it, like store information in spatial places in your brain. It's a good idea. It works. So this, I don't want, when you log in, for this to go here. This is saying provide a template, stick Python north. Yeah, where everybody can see up my nostrils. There's nothing up there. It's dark. You can see. Even if you turn on the light, it stays like that. Ice flavors. Ice flavors? Are there flavors of ice? Dry, wet. I'm not sure. Ice cream flavors. Oh, okay. That makes sense to me. I mean, also there's icy. Yeah, I know. Ship, yeah. I know, absolutely. Like that's just how I roll. Oh, it looks like people like the SQL thing. No, that's all right. So, so I don't really want this to go to the base. And it's a little confusing because, let's get rid of my cheat code for SQL. I used to be better at SQL, I swear, but whatever, doesn't really matter. When you're out of practice, you're out of practice. It's okay. So let's see. Cyranid, nah, toss it all in the heap and hope the garbage collector doesn't run. Nice. That's funny. My garbage collector is always running. Did you guys see Inside Out? I'm sorry, did you see Inside Out? That's what that makes me think of. I never was good at it, so I'm always out of practice. I can't say, like, I think about, which is probably why I'm, do specs at my job too. I think about the design of things more than I think about the actual code of things. So just like I did with what I said with Pylang, well, now you're a language, Pylang. Just like what I said with Python, I feel like that the design of the code was what you asked me. And I said, this is how I would design that code. But how I would actually type it out would be different, So like, I have these designs in my head that are like, okay, this is what this has to do. This is what this feature looks like. This is what, this is the input and output of this. And this is where it's got to go next. Unlurk. Hey, Kandarsa. Welcome back. And I think that helps me because it helps me think about coding in a different way. But like, it also hurts because like, I'm like, I'll be able to code that. I'll be able to get that. And I'm much more confident in my coding because I have this like this like fake understanding of how I want to design it. Then when I hit it, or I'm like, oh, how do I code this? And I'm spending time on Google all the time. So I don't know. It's all right. So, okay. So what we want to do is we want to basically go from the login to our homepage, which right now looks pretty bad. It's templates. What's my template? Index. No, so it's just auth. Oh. Is it just auth? Is it not auth? Let's go check out my code. It's this one right here. Oh, did I change the name to home? Oh, that was my problem. Whoopsies. Why did I do that? Index. That was silly. Sorry about that. And then, and that should work. So there we go. So hello, Chrissy, you are logged in. So I want this to go to this page, which probably will end up being a different, like I'm gonna start to think about what the home page looks like. And so, yeah, so what I want to do is figure out where in Django I can, after I log in, because obviously Django wants me to go here. They want me to, I used to rough draft in my head. Yeah. The last time I have to fix stuff while coding. Absolutely. Yeah, it's really tough. Because I like thinking about the design. And the code is tough. It can be really hard. You can Ship will tell you, because I've like thrown ideas at her for her app, and I'm like, hey, this idea, do this, and she's like, Chrissy, shut up. Like, I just want to code it. I just want JK, she did adapt some of my thoughts because she's very kind. But yeah, so I'm always coming up with like ideas and shapes and like, oh yeah, this is what should be in the database, because this is what I would pull as a data analyst, or this is what I would be interested in as an analyst later on. So yeah, so I think like I'm more suited for UX UI design. Let's close this. I don't want to look at that. We'll go back to it some other time though. So this is saying that the two-factor base AML, base.html will style this page, and I am not buying it. I'm glad, Ship. I am not buying it because if I change this, so if you watch, if I change this index, say, which isn't going to hurt anything because one, I know it's index, to _base.html, right? That's basically saying like, hey, I want to start, oh, I don't need to do that. Let's change this back to index because I've already got a base.html. But let's say I take all the code that I've got here, all this Jinja, and then I put it in this _ base HTML file, which it's in here. I move this, it's under two-factor, and I take example out. So I rename this. Well, this is just an experiment, right? So that, I would guess, would mean that when I logged in and went to this page would be the base page. Extends.base HTML. So something is weird. Oh, no. What is this? Two-factor. So this is saying the template doesn't exist. Oh, good. Yeah, caught up. Yeah. So this is saying that the template, I did fix the SQL query. Yeah. Good. I'm glad you're planning on collecting data. That actually makes me feel really good because like it's really important to think about the database. That's all I think about when I run this app here. Order by city length, ascending, city ascending. Okay. All right. That's cool. The same one, the same problem. I'll just have to do that because I didn't think, I guess you have to pull in city to do that. So it's a double order, which makes sense. And I probably should have just figured that out. Oh, but with your own database. Nice. Cool. Yeah, not the one that's ordered already. So this is saying that I can't find a The first one extends base. So let's just get that out of here. I don't need that right now. I'm not using it. Ugh, what? Oh, sorry. I was doing, do you know what I was doing? I was doing my JetBrains IDE. I solved through ignoring it. Yeah, best piling. Awesome. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll remember that. Order by multiple columns. I should have known that. Like I was saying, I'm rusty. I'm rusty, and not the good kind where it's... All right, I lied. So apparently... But do you see? So see, this is with the base HTML code. Like this is basically saying, do you see all of the stylization that I apparently did? It's not, this isn't doing any of that. It's sending something different to underscore base. And then if I make this empty, which this isn't going to hurt because this code is in index, if I empty this, then it's stylized again. Oh, there's nothing there because it's empty. If I get rid of it, let's put that back just for funds. So if I get rid of it, rename that example. All right, so we're renaming it so it disappears in Django's eyes. Now it's stylized. It is undermining me. It is. A little bit. I don't understand. And then if I go back to login right here, then this one says provide a template named two-factor underscore base to style this page and remove this message. So what does this style? Do I do... I don't even know. I don't know what's supposed to happen here. So we're going to look this up because this is giving me trouble. We are going to override it because I would prefer that. Whenever I override two-factor underscore base, nothing happens. Am I missing something? I'm not the only one here. You don't even know. Is there a setting or anything like that? There is only one line in the two-factor underscore base HTML file extends. I just want to keep my normal underscore base. Provide a template. Nothing changes and I still see the message. Context. I am building a Django website. What's going on? I've got the same issue. I was able to do it by just putting a folder named two-factor in my templates folder. I did that. And inside two-factor, I put my customized underscore base.html and overwrote theirs with CSS and things, but kept their way of leading you from login to token entry. Try running the example app provided with this project. It shows how the template can be overridden. Does anybody understand? In the example directory, let's try this. And please don't comment on closed issues in the future. Yeah. Okay. Please don't. I love that. Okay. So here they've got in templates a base.html. Look at this. Let's see what this nonsense look like. Let's see what it looks like. I might be like typing swear words on my screen. Who knows? Didn't even look at it. And go to, all right, VS Code and put this in here. Is this underscore? Yeah. No, that's not what I told you to copy. Silly old bear. Let's try it again. I don't even know what this is. You see this? Load IL8N? I don't want to use that. I don't even know what that is. Is that what I'm saying tonight? Is that my like Django 2-factor off? Maybe I'll go to jazz band. Internalization. And is that okay to use? Josh, hey. I'm trying to do something for you, but it's not. Wait. I'm trying to figure out no. It's not working. I'm trying to figure something out, but I can't figure it out for you, Josh. And then I tried whispering and that didn't work either. Internationalization. All right, so we're just going to assume that it's fine. Instead of extending .base HTML, you extend .index or .index. Yeah, but I don't think you want me to try that. I'll try it, but I don't expect it because of how it doesn't matter what I write in there. Like this should just. So let's try it out. Let's try what you said. Oops. It would be extends. Also, the problem is base.html is kind of lame. If I see ally or A11Y, that's short for accessibility. I like that. I think I have to set my accessibility options in. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Thanks, Kara. I'm not going to try it if you're like, I would try it if you were still like curious, but if you've got it, then I won't. That's cool, Josh. I want to make my streams accessible, like readable. But yeah. No expectations tonight. I'm just like having a chill stream. Okay. So that's where we are. Example, templates, base. Oh, so this is where we are anyway. We're in Jazz Band. All right, so let's check this out. Put it in here. I don't need to put it in this guy. Change this, rename. And let's see what happens here. Cause I wanna understand what's going on. And like, why does it even need to go there? And where in the app can I just be like, go somewhere else? All right, so let's pull this up again. It's up here somewhere. Run server. Why are you having trouble with my server? How come I can't click it? All right, I'll just go back to this site. Quiet today. I am. You guys aren't. Okay, so this is different. So this is good. And what if I did some CSS on this? So what if I did like, let's just make the head, or can I do, oh man, I'm forgetting everything I've ever learned. Also it's Jinja. So, class, equals, and I'm trying to remember. So if I want to do color green, will that work? They're gonna work. Class style. I don't want style sheet yet. I'm not ready. Why are you the way that you are? Is that another song? Internationalization probably does things like adjust date forming and currency. That's how it works in the front end dev at least. All right, awesome. That's good to know. I was gonna run through a CSS review because it's been a while since I've done this. I mean, it hasn't really, but like usually when I'm in my my jobs code, like there's a similar syntax like right in front of me, and so that reminds me of how I usually code things. And so color green bar in HTML. here we go. What's this look like? Class. Oh, okay. Let's just do this then. W3 dash bar W3 green. Is this W3? What's W3? I don't even. This is from a style sheet, is it not? No, probably not. Well, let's do something else. Green background. Green background in HTML. Let me just do this the easy way, right? Can I just find? All right. The color of this paragraph is light green color, but this is a style sheet. I want it in. I don't want to make a style sheet. Oh no. Okay, style equals. Oh, I don't know class. There we go. That's why I was like, this looks weird. Okay, perfect. Style equals color green, and then this should make my header green. Maybe the font. Who knows? Let's take a look. Back to the login page. No, that didn't do anything. What did I do wrong? I don't know what I did wrong. Let's see. Style equals color. Light green. Does it need to be capital? Is this case sensitive? I'm not playing this game. Not right now. I'm not ready. Okay, doesn't care, apparently. Oh, that's why. That's why. Here? There we go. Did I try turning it off and on again? Nah, not tonight. Here we go. Try again. Why isn't this green? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. But shouldn't it... All right, fine. I don't think that's gonna matter. Ugh, I don't want to have to do that every time. That can't matter. Yeah, this is not working. Jinja? Do I need Jinja? Background. If this... I'm sorry. Josh, I'm sorry. That's what I thought I was gonna do. That's what I originally wanted to do, just find something. Oh, background color. Background color. Sorry, Josh. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. All right, here we go. Front-end devs now are mad at me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry for that. I understand why you're angry now. Oops. I'm just getting ahead of myself is the problem. Where is login? Where are you? Home. Jeez, this is a lot of code. Let's find it. It's not even here. Where's the H one? Yeah, it's not even hitting this file. Doc type HTML. Title. Viewport. Bootstrap. Ajax. Content wrapper. Navbar. Container. Home. Demo. This is really frustrating. I'm gonna search the code base to see if I can find this. So I'm gonna search the code base for this guy, for the H1 login, because it's got to be in here somewhere. So can I not? No, it's not. Look, what if we go back to extend, but instead of, oh, sorry, I scrolled up and now, oh wait, what if we go back to extend, but instead of .base HTML, just make it base.html, going off that GitHub template. Okay. And then, okay, that kind of makes sense. Because I am kind of jumping in at a different point, so that makes sense. I just thought I could. It was probably like a dumb move or a silly mistake, I guess I'll say, to just jump right to that. Oh, do you see this? So there's a two-factor base, which I need. So this is a different one too. It's an entirely different underscore base. So this one has, is that what you were saying, Kara? So this one extends the base just like we were expecting. You were expecting. Someone was expecting. Okay, good. It wasn't me. And then we go back here and go back to templates and we put this in there. And maybe this will work. This is shorter than, okay, so let's try this. Oh my goodness gracious. What just happened? All right, and we'll put this in here because I'm not using this either. I just want to understand it. And I think this is like one of those things that's like, why is there an underscore base file? I want to see where it gets directed to this. You know what I mean? Like, this still doesn't necessarily make sense. Right? Because I still don't see in either of these, like I'd have to do a two-factor profile. Oh, so these are nav links, so that's fine. So this will go to the two-factor profile. Okay, so I'm seeing this now. All right. I wasn't seeing this before and now I'm seeing it, like for real. Like I'm understanding what I'm looking at. Okay. So it's a content wrapper, URL home. So they have a home. That must be that first one. So let's go back to that and I'll try to understand this a little bit better. Thanks, Jazz Band. So we go templates and then we go this home. I wonder if I could just copy well, that's fine. It's fine. So then we're going to put a home in here, which is at the same level as this first base, right? So it's right in templates. So we're going to add file. Sorry about that. Add file home .py .html, sorry. HTML. And then this goes in here. And I'll look through this. I'm not going to leave this. Have you provided your Twilio settings? I feel like no. I feel like this is not. This is interesting. And log in. At last you've gained access to the secret page. Oh, that's funny. Welcome to the example. Okay, so this is home, but that's not, I don't think that's what we're trying to do. So let's keep going. I want to see what base HTML is reading in two-factor. So it's saying, home, translate to home. These are all nav links. The secret page, account security, sessions, log out. This is all the top. This is the wrapper. Okay. Messages. This is interesting, but I don't want to do the example app. This is entirely different. But your file is, no, which file? This one or this one? In here? All right. I'll take a look. So you're saying that they have... Oh, thanks, Rachel. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it. Good luck with that. I can't see it. That chat pause due to scroll. Base. Thank you. Yeah, just hanging out tonight. Okay. Let me, what's the quick key? S button. The search bar will automatically be focused. Okay. S. Cool. Okay, so S. Oops, in this repository. I wonder if I do... Oh, okay. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for H1 login. H1 login. I just want to see where that is. They couldn't find it. So I'm not understanding. Like, doesn't this have to be somewhere? Let's just find the word login in this repository. Login test, login view, account /login, as view name login. All right. Redirect to login. That's not what I need because that's in admins. Like, I'm not sure. I just want to know. Like, I understand that this has its, here it is. Maybe not. So I understand that this has its own logic. And really, all I want to do, eventually I want to put wrappers on it. Like, I think this is what they've done. They've made some great templates. They've used those templates. They're using, like, obviously login view. So that's pretty important. And that's in URLs. And maybe this is the issue. I'm going to start with URLs because, like, honestly, I don't want to do what they're doing. I mean, I want to understand it, but, like, I don't need to go through the entire app to understand it. So instead, I'm just going to try to jerry-rig it because that is what feels good to me. I can't believe Josh is like, I gotta go. I gotta go eat. Gotta go wash a cereal bowl. Which is pretty cool. I think it's cool. Needed a break. Well, I'm trying to hack it. I'm not sure it's the smartest idea because maybe the example app, I need to understand it a little bit better, but I just don't. All right, so let's add the login path that they have done. So path, this is in tests. This is in tests. This is cool. I'm happy to see some tests though, because honestly, admin import redirect to, so that I don't want to use these are in test. These are important and I should try them out, but then these are mix-ins and these are tests, doc configuration, example, templates, home. Excuse me. And did I include home? I did. And this extends base and it loads the internationalization and it sets a block title. Improve your, I'm going to log out. Oh no, I am logged out. I'm so frustrated. So call MD-5, offset MD-3. So let's try that. Let's look for that. Control Shift F. Call dash MD dash 5. Okay, so it's not in this. Like, shouldn't I be able to... If this is calling my code, I should be able to see this column somewhere. This column middle 5. Somewhere in my code, but I can't. Why can I not find this? Oof. Yikes. We need probably something a little bit more upbeat. I'm not a fan of Jinja. It's just so different from what I'm used to. Okay. So translate. Oh. All right. I'll stretch my legs. I'll do the wheel. Thank you, Old Sloppy, for getting me out of my head. It's been a frustrating day, gotta admit. I'm like not. All right, here we go. So let's see where we have to stretch. And I will do a stretch. Side stretch. All right, cool. So that's this one. If you guys have been sitting watching, I'm doing a side stretch. Wow, that's unattractive right now. It doesn't really matter. Let me pull these off. Of course, my sweats are like low hanging. Okay, that was really helpful. Thank you. All right. Right and left. Oops, don't want to do that. Just hit anything else. Did you tell me I just had... did you tell me I just had to... It says I have to click off of it. Stop. I don't remember now. Oh yeah, right up here. Sorry. Okay, I'm back and I feel better because I stretched and now I've got good posture and I still can't find the login page and I don't want to use this. Like I just don't want to. I don't want to use this same style. So I'm gonna take a good check in the repository, and I'm just gonna take a good look at. So, what does this say for base? Does this have any? No. Where's the documentation here? This is the README. That can't be everything. Installations, instructions. For general questions, please hop over to Stack Overflow. All right, let's try this. How do I edit? Oh, I'm not in Stack Overflow. And then I do underscore base.html. Yes, I'm a human. How to use more than one base underscore HTML file. How to use more than one base. How to apply. All right. So this says, is there any way to redesign custom two-factor authentication login homepage? Just to show how I fixed in the end, I wanted to use the default Django styles as much as possible to make the users look and feel consistent. Therefore, in my main template folder, I added the following folder, underscore base. It has this content. It basically just refers the template back to use the default Django admin template. However, since the two-factor authentication templates rely on Bootstrap 4, which is a really stupid design decision if you ask me, I had to include the relevant leaders. Is that Patrick's answer? Whose answer is this? Patrick's answer. but I don't necessarily want to go back to the admin page. So I don't want to do this either. Like, I don't know if, I think Jazz Band is great, but I don't understand why this base page has to be the way it is. So I'm just gonna see, I'm gonna change the base page, the 1 and 2 factor, and I'm gonna have it extend, just try this, so that when we log in, well, that's pretty interesting. I go to token generator and 310508. Yeah, no, that would be fine, Josh. I think that would be great. I'm trying to give you VIP. Oh, but I don't know how to do it. Old Sloppy, how do I give Josh VIP? 449192. 449192. Oh, cool. Does that work? Did that work? Oh. Oh, okay. That worked? Josh, are you VIP now? That's \VIP. If I don't put anything after it, what happens? Maybe? I don't think so. Speak to us, Josh. Old Sloppy, that didn't work. Okay, so it looks like, so go ahead and help me. I would like help, because, oh, that's a /. Oh, thank you. Thank you, everybody. All right. Josh, you stuck around long enough and you listen to my problems when I'm coding. So, that's interesting. Yes. I don't know what I just removed, and it's probably a bad idea. I just removed text GDI.